Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix nvlddmkm.sys in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on Start, type Device Manager, open Device Manager. Now here guys, expand display adapters. Click on this driver, so right click and update driver. Now select browse my computer. Now select this, let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now select any specific if you have, or select Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. Then click on next. Now close it and click on Start. Type CMD. Right click on command prompt. Run as administrator. Now type here power CFG space -sign H space off. Then press enter. Now close it and click on Start. Type control panel. Open control panel. Now in here select view bar as large icons. Then click on power options. Now click on change plan settings. Now click on change advanced power settings. Now here guys, now in here expand wireless adapter settings. Now click on this plus icon, power saving mode. So on battery, select maximum performance, plugged in, select maximum performance, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.